If I have two algorithms that T1, one algorithm having time complexity big of Fn, and other algorithm having time complexity T2 big of Gn, right? Then prove that T1 plus T1n plus T2n दोनों algorithm को merge करेंगे हम. If we append second algorithm after first one, then what will be the time complexity? What will be the time complexity? It's a max of
Fn and Gn.
this and max of this. It's a max of big of Gn or big of Fn. Okay? This is what we have to prove. So how to prove this? We know that T1 n is equal to big of Fn. That's why it is less than equals to some constant C1 into Fn. According to definition of big notation, this is true. And we have been given T2 of n is big of Gn. So this is also true. C2 of Gn. And we know that this is true for all n greater than equals to n1. And this is all n greater than equals to n2. Right? Now from 1 and 2, if we combine these two, so T1n plus T2n, so this will be less than equals to, according to this, C1 into f of n plus C2 into g of n. Right? Now we have to show that we want to prove this. This is max of this, right? So now let's select, we have to show that this is max of Fn or Gn. Okay. So instead of this C1 and C2, if I select max of this C1 and C2, that is C3, and if I double it, then obviously this part is greater than this, and I'm taking max of these two function, max of Fn and Gn. Fn and Gn. See, if you compare this part with the above equation, see what we are doing in Fn and Gn, I am taking max. Okay? और मैं उसका डबल कर रहा हूं. And I am selecting C3 as a max of C1 and C2. So double कर दिया तो obviously this will be greater than or equals to this previous part. Right? So this is equals to again. So this is less than equals to max of, I can take this 2C3 inside 2C3 of Fn or 2C3 of Gn. So this is what? Big O of Fn, this is big O of Gn. So we can say that it's a max of big O of Fn and it's a big O of Gn. Okay, so we have proved this.